Tesla Mowadu didn't want to win the game against the Durban City. He didn't select a lineup that was going to win him that game. He didn't have the mentality to win that game. He just didn't want to win that game. And there's nothing wrong, Bafetu. Durban City did. If Durban City went to that game, I'm a player carried the instructions, Zaga coach, low block, defend. Orlando, if anything, Orlando Pirates failed to break their low block, Durban City. Orlando Pirates bazamile batabalaza, credit to the players, they tried, but abafunanga ukuthi bayibhobozele lanto leya. But the reason I'm starting with the coach, Bafethu, I don't think you understand this. Coach Tesla Mowadu is a very lucky coach. He's a very, very, very lucky coach. Lamjita loya. Yazi if beka umuntu la South Africa ngabe ngisho lo mutha phalaza ngawunzima. Coach Tesla Mowadu is very lucky. That game against the Durban City, the Pirates didn't play well. But babambili draw. That game against the Stellenbosch, Pirates didn't play well, but they won that game. Counter the number of times Coach Tesla Mowadu has been lucky this season. Coach Tesla Mowadu always Orlando magame important magame makulu without a bench. Against Durban City, Coach Tesla Mowadu didn't have a bench. How was he going to win that game leanang in a bench? He didn't have impact players that could come on from the bench and then change the complexion a game. Number one, this is where for me, this was the most confusing thing. Simpiwe Slepe is a brilliant player. Umnandi lamfana loya. I've been vouching for lamfana loyana. I've been making a video ngicela ngithi coach, when is Simpiwe Slepe playing? Umfaka nini uSimpiwe Slepe? Then you decide to play him with Orlando Stadium being sold out nje. It was over sold out Orlando Stadium lapha because abanye besilele emaphasejini bheka bekukuningi okwenzakala stadium. You play him in a game of that magnitude and then you expect him to give you results. You are setting him up for failure. Is this a plan ngamabo mna to say that yanisibonele ngokweni nomfana Melavai? And shout out to Slepe for showing up, because even though Slepe made it difficult for Mbatha to play. Umbata's used to playing Nomakehleni Makaula, who does all the dirty work for him, la emuva, and then Umbata yenoya hambu funi ball ya release ya shooter wenzani. But that day it seemed as though he was uncomfortable because akagadlali nalomuntu ladlala naye this season. And then second half, Bafethu kushubile, Orlando Pirates desperately needs a goal. We are cheering, we are screaming, la stadium is funi goal. Trust Coach Tesla Mowadu. I want one thing about that coach. Trust him ukuthi avale amehlo avele athi ikhanda libambayo uthi ngena, because there ufaka undaba. Ukhipha uDion Hoto ufaka undaba. You are substituting a defender. La team bekumele ukuthi hlasela even more. Your team is struggling to break your low block when you faka defender. Why? What was Ndaba gonna do different to Dion Hoto? Instead, Undaba uyangena uba nama mistake as you would expect him to. I've been saying Undaba is not ready to play for Orlando Pirates. Undaba is not ready to compete at that level for Orlando Pirates. He is not ready. Uyamthatha umfake gamini engaka, you putting more pressure on him. He will continue to disappoint you because you are playing him ama game ngamele ukuthi awadlala. Evidence Makhupa. Let's talk about him. Evidence Makhupa against the Stellenbosch FC, he scored a goal. And then on top of that, he assisted Utito because we see to Ukipa when Utito was trying to whip it in and then go by a goal. So it means Evidence Makhupa is motivated. I confidence yakhe phezulu. Start Evidence Makhupa bamqalise benchini bafaka. And then kusasa you'll ask yourself why I performance ama player iba so ematimini. I performance ama player airdropper. Coach Tesla Mowadu is really technically confused. He's technically confused. He's not technically gifted. But I just hope the technical team Anayo is a technical team that can go and make decisions on his behalf sometimes, because he always loses the game. Epenchin. Sipho Mbule was needed in a game like that. Because we are struggling again Bafethu ukuyibhoboza le low block ya labantu laba. Faka umuntu that's going to allow midfield yakho to play. Faka umuntu that's more creative, that's going to offer you more creatively. For me, double substitution ufaka uSipho Mbulu ufaka uKabelo Dlamini labantu sababhoboza. Kunama set piece Orlando Pirates ewatholile. If you had a player like uKabelo Dlamini who is a set piece specialist, he could have done something for you. So Coach Tesla Mowadu, that draw, we blame it on you, we don't blame it on the players. And by the way, a very big statement. Orlando Pirates is going to win the league not because of the coach, but because of the players. The players were motivated this season. The players wanted to win this season. Mfukeng was on a high this season. Ozonapolis was on a high. Tsebang Muremi was on a high. Utito sometimes would come from the bench, later Kemini, Akwarama equalizer or score the winning goal. So it's the players that wanted it more than the coach. The coach didn't want it because all the coach did this season was experiment. And then Masakabona Ngati is in a tight spot, he's in a corner Gumshubelo. He goes back to the team last season, Yaga Jose Rivero, and plays the team. Most players that abazamile this season, the players that he seems to believe in the most, let him down. Masindi Nemtajela let him down. Yanela Mbutuma let him down. Undaba let him down. Ama player wakhe lawo. Those are the players that he seems to have a lot of belief in. Those are the players that let him down kule season le. Orlando Pirates, I don't think the players sometimes I don't think the players and the coach understand how much the supporters want this. Le league lena is more important to the supporters than the players, as it seems, because the way ama supporter bawanga khona bafethu Saturday lapha eOrlando Stadium, the spirit of the supporters lapha eOrlando Stadium, the way ama supporter bewatshela ngakhona, the way the supporters were cheering and singing, uyabona ukuthi bebamele that one goal and then they go and celebrate the league. But guess what happens? Coach Abdeslam Moadu makes sure ukuthi le game izophela kwi-draw. Credit to Durban City, ayikho into wrong abayenzile, bheka badlalile labantu labaya, badefendile, istrategy saka coach sisebenzile. Strategy saka coach sisebenzile. If you can't break low block at Durban City, you telling me uzohamba yo break low block ku KEF? You telling me you'll go compete ku KEF? I'm telling you mapaka. Coach Owadu sazoba exposed, msazoyibona lento ngintshela yona. This guy's been very lucky kule season le. He's been winning by luck ama games wakhe. Nala ma player lawa afakayo, have a lot of them have been performing by luck. Bona bo Dion nabo banban. Basazoba tested. You win the league. After winning the league, man, you will be tested as a champion. You have to defend that league. And Mamelodi Sundowns, that's one thing they do special. Now but got to win the league, they show you why they've won the league. Let's see if Owadu can show us why he's won the league. Let's see if Owadu can go compete with KEF Champions League. Let's see if Owadu can stand the test in KEF Champions League. Actually, let's see if he can even defend the MTN 8. Let's see if he can even defend the MTN 8. Because I'm telling you, lama mistake nyana lawa wenzai. Smart coaches have studied him. I coach at Durban City mbonile no muntu kutu swakva. I coach Richards Bay mbonile. I coach Swelele mbonile. Even kama coach Chiefs bambonile. Bambonile ukuthi ucoach Abdeslam Moadu, he's a coach, he's a finder coach. Uyadlala ukuthi it is minye ukuthi usibanibani uzoyenza kahle namhlanje and then athathu lafake lo. That game, if you don't want to play Maketleni Makaula, simple, play Cameron Denson. Cameron Denson udlalile mos against the Sundowns wakora. He's been coming on as a sub from time to time. He's been getting a lot of game time. Then play Cameron Denson. Again, Utito Maswanganyi is very slow for le bola Orlando Pirates is playing. He's too slow. Guna counter attack lapha uTito was delaying. Guna pass bekumele kudala wakhipile uTito mara uyahluleka wakhipha late ama pass wakhona. Guna cross uTito bekumele wafakile mara wafaka late. uTito slowed down the tempo of that game. Again, a smart coach. Coach owazi isn't. That's why sometimes it's important ukubheka amanye ama sport. uRonaldinho washo ku documentary yakhe wathi lama no look pass, he learned them from the NBA. Abona bo LeBron James nabo Michael Jordan bawashaya naye wabona ukuthi yazi let me take this ngifake ngapha. Jason Tatum, he tore his Achilles. Pumile for 200 and something days. Maratena City player for coach baqala ngaye. Why not start Tshepang Moremi? He's been consistent for you. He's been getting you results. If Agakori uya assist, ufuna ukumfaka as a substitute. So I'm telling you Bafethu, there's a lot. Yabona kule season lezayo, I'm telling you, your team is going to be exposed. Orlando Pirates will be tested at the highest level because Bayago KEF, and they will have to defend Iligiabo. They will have to defend Iligiabo. You going into the next season, ngalama mistake waka coach Abdeslam Moadu will come back and sing a different song. So hlala sihleke. By the way, this Saturday Obi tuzohola 3-0. It's not open for discussion. 3-0. Obi tuzodliwa. Haina chance. They don't stand a chance against Orlando Pirates. AAP team Obi College defender stop. Again, luck is favoring coach Abdeslam Moadu. Uben enhlanhla ukuthi his last game of the season after Mamelodi Sundowns has dropped points against the TS Galaxy. His last game of the season, he Orbit College. So of course uzoyiwina. We'll celebrate kuzoba mnandi, but these little things that we mentioned, when they come back to bite him, kusasa, the supporters will come back and say, yeah, mara lo coach. So it's very disappointing to see what the Orlando Pirates did against Orbit College. Against the Durban City. I don't know how they couldn't break that low block. I don't know how they couldn't break that defensive wall. Another thing that I just want to say about Lebohile Mofokeng, one of the best players I've ever seen, one of the greatest players Orlando Pirates has ever promoted and even produced. So shout out to Development, DDC, and everyone about producing Mofokeng. But Mofokeng suffers from inconsistency. And that inconsistency will come back and affect him in the future. He can be very inconsistent, Mofokeng. In games where you need Mofokeng to show up, in games where ubona khona ukuthi bafethu sidinga Mofokeng namhlanje uyaqasha Mofokeng akabonakali. Mfukeng is very inconsistent. If you think about it, Gatle, the last time Mfukeng had a good game, Pirates idlala naMaZulu. He didn't play well against Stellenbosch. Didn't play well against the Chiefs. He didn't play well against the Durban City Foot. It's been 3 games. He hasn't played well. But no one is going to have that conversation because we are all blinded by love. As my legend would say, there's a saying that says, love is blind. We are blinded by love. Very inconsistent Mfukeng. And if this is not the time for Yena to be inconsistent, this is not the time. In fact, where you are having the best season, Baba, gula season la Mfukeng bekmele wenza so throughout. Then says Guti conversation about him being the best number 10 go Bafana Bafana is not even a conversation worth having. But manje, questions will be raised. Questions will be raised. So Mfukeng must end it on a high note. This Saturday, he came Mfukeng. This Saturday, he came Mfukeng. Mfukeng must show up. Mfukeng must appear. Mfukeng melenzi into zenzeke this Saturday. It's his game. If he doesn't make things happen, and if I get kola, if you're mood ni tlatlambala, ozuna police nyakchela boy. Ozuna police uzahamba before. Tsepang Muremi will live before. Libone Siema will live before. Sizomane sicula le ndaba ukuthi uhamba nini. Uhamba nini. Overseas abana patience play inconsistent. Ngisho nama player nzima, important players. Bheka manje Madrid doesn't have patience no Mbappe. Asikho isikhathi sokuba inconsistent. A player as big as Kylian Mbappe, ama supporters ayakhala manje would know. Kylian Mbappe sifuna izinto. So I'm telling you Mfukeng must end it on a high note kule game le. And another thing that I don't understand about Coach Owadu, the boy has shown him what he's capable of playing as a number 10. Maraba mthatha bamdlalise wingeni bafuna uqala ngoTito. Even babona ukuthi game namhlanje pace iyamshiya uTito. We still start Tito. We still play him. Don't bench him. I'm not saying mina ningamdlalise, but choose when to play him. Choose when to play him. And then in closing, I just want to talk about the striking department. Orlando Pirates are in a strike is prolific, Bafetu. Orlando Pirates doesn't have a striker, and Orlando Pirates desperately needs a striker. The biggest mistake made by Orlando Pirates was loaning out Tsegofatso Mabasa. That's a very big mistake. You can't tell me Yanela Mbutuma is better than Tsegofatso Mabasa. No, never. I don't think there's any coach. Only coach Abdeslam Mowadu. Again, only coach Abdeslam Mowadu would choose Mbutuma over Tsegofatso Mabasa. Imagine if Orlando Pirates be petty strikers fan no Leon. Leon broke down the low block at TS Galaxy. We see Leon why wisa it defense Pirates. Leon, one thing about Leon, he knows how to make the right runs. Uyakwazi ungene ema space ini, uyakwazi ukuma mfana. That's so brilliant of that guy. Uma phakathi kwama center back oyithuso alfuni ball. And another thing that makes him special, unabantu afana nabo Aubrey Mudiba nabo Khuriso Mutau that know how to cross. Orlando Pirates utsepang Muremi kuphela umuntu othanda ukcross. That's another problem. Mawufuna umuntu crossayo that delivers for you. Utsepang Muremi. And of course, Ozuna Police, I like his game, cutting in, going for goal. It's a different game. But Orlando Pirates, if this season abahamba uyosayina strike, sizoxoxa indaba futhi next season because Mbuthuma uyokora 2 goals and le game le Durban City mshayile. Nale injury le yanyasola. Nyasola nalapho ukuthi beka feel pressure ukuthi azini ethi ngiphume.